strcpy in C++ copies a string into a memory destination. You have a char array that can hold 100 characters called destination. You also have a source string, hello. When you do strcpy, destination, and then source, you copy the source string into the destination memory. The destination will now have the string hello in it. It's important that you don't try to copy a string into the memory destination that is bigger than the number of characters that the memory destination can hold. Otherwise, you'll open up your code to being potentially hacked. The strn function in C++ is similar to strcpy. Strcpy copies a source string to a destination string. The difference with strncpy is that it limits the number of characters to copy to the destination. Strncpy is in the C string header file, so we will hash include C string. Let's give ourselves a string world. So const char star source equals world. We will want to print out our answer, so let's hash include IOStream as well. Also, it's generally not good practice, but I'm going to do it for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to, using namespace std. Let's give ourselves a destination string, char dest of 15 characters. Destination has enough room for 15 characters. On the next line, we will strncpy destination source of 1. What that does is copy the source string to the destination string, but only copies over the first character from source. Let's print out the destination string to see as much. We will put to cout the destination string. After that, put to our destination string a new line character. This is the line where the using namespace comes in handy. Without that line, I would have had to prefix both cout and endline with std : : If we run this code, we will see that our destination string prints out W, which is exactly what we would expect. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.